All right, thank you, Old Timey Meat Market, for these baby back ribs. All right, so we got our baby back rib, right? So what you want to do is move that silver skin that's right underneath it. So if you take a knife, just kind of be gentle with it, and then you can get that membrane up. And then what you want to do after that, get your paper towel, and then just like that, you're moving that skin from the back, and then again, everything from your smoke can pretty much get into those ribs. So that's what you want to remove right there from your baby back ribs. So again, with a lot of barbecue meats that you want to smoke, you want to go with the SP&G based seasoning, right? So you can just go with salt, pepper, garlic, or get a seasoning that's an all-purpose seasoning that has those main ingredients in it. So now we just gonna season these ribs up, right? And I'm using my all-purpose seasoning, the usual. Add some flavors that I love. So we just gonna All right, so we got our grill going. It's at 250, and we already got some meat in there that we're gonna be smoking, or it's already smoking. So we're gonna throw that on the other side there, and we're gonna be making some barbecue sauce for that also. All right, so while we got our ribs smoking, we're gonna make a barbecue sauce, and we're gonna start off with 2 cups of ketchup, a teaspoon of black pepper, half a cup of brown sugar, tablespoon of onion powder, tablespoon of garlic powder. Then we got some smoked paprika along with some mustard, and the detailed ingredients will be down in the description below. Then we're gonna hit it with some vinegar. I'm gonna add a little bit of honey in there, right, about a tablespoon's worth. All right, so we got about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and then lastly, my secret weapon, some orange juice. So that's about a half of an orange. All right, from there we just get this bad boy mixed in, let it simmer, and we got some fire barbecue sauce. So we smoked these ribs for about 4 hours. The 3rd hour, that's when we came back and used that fire barbecue sauce and baste that bad boy. So that's what I'm doing right here, man. Just basting it, man, getting that barbecue sauce on there. And then for that last hour, just letting it continue to smoke. And then we'll take them bad boys off the grill. Now you can go a little bit further if you like. All right, so these ribs about ready to come out. So we're gonna go ahead and remove them. Look at that right there. All right, so there you have it. Some barbecue baby back ribs, right? That's how Manual Focus does it. There you go. Got to get you that shot right there before we take that taste test. Look at that. Ooh, that thing looks juicy too. Now that's delicious, man. If you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, man. And we'll see you guys later. I appreciate you watching.